Tired of streaming devices that promise the world but deliver Euro well? We've all been there. Buffering nightmares, clunky interfaces, and remotes that seem designed to induce rage. Today, we're putting the Castview TV streaming device to the test. Let's see if it can actually deliver a smooth streaming experience. First up, setup. Plug it in, connect the HDMI cable, and power it on. The initial setup is surprisingly straightforward. No complicated menus or endless account creations. The user interface is clean and intuitive. Finding your favorite apps is a breeze. Searching for movies and shows is quick and responsive. Now, the real test, streaming quality. We tested 4K content and the Castview TV handled it flawlessly. No buffering, no lag, just crisp, clear picture. The remote is simple but effective. Dedicated buttons for popular streaming services and voice search make navigation even easier. So, does the Castview TV deliver? Absolutely. It offers a smooth, reliable streaming experience without breaking the bank. If you're looking for an affordable streaming device that actually works, the Castview TV is definitely worth checking out.